Misplay language problems are usually caused by a mismatch between the app language, device language, or available language options in your region. By the end, you'll know what to check when Mistplay shows the wrong language, how to refresh the app settings, and what to do if the language option is missing. The first thing to check is your phone's language setting, because many apps follow the language preference selected on your device. Open your device settings, find the language options, and confirm that your preferred language is selected. If your phone language is correct, but Mistplay still appears in another language, check whether the app needs to be refreshed. Close Mistplay completely, reopen it, and check if the display updates. If that does not work, update the Mistplay app from your device's app store. App updates can fix display problems caused by older app versions or temporary software issues. Another step is checking your account and region settings. Some apps display different language options depending on where the account is registered or which features are available in that location. If you recently changed regions, your app settings may not update immediately. You can also try signing out of Mistplay and signing back in. This refreshes the account connection and can resolve settings that are not loading correctly. If the language option is still unavailable, avoid changing multiple settings at once. Change one setting, reopen the app, and check whether the issue is fixed. This makes it easier to identify what caused the problem. For Android users, checking the app permissions, storage, or app reset options in phone settings may help if the app is not applying changes correctly. For iPhone users, reinstalling the app can refresh stored settings if normal troubleshooting does not work. The key points are simple. Check your phone language first, refresh or update Mistplay, and confirm that your region settings match your account. If the issue continues, contact Mistplay support with details about your device, current language, and what the app is showing. Try these steps in order before reinstalling the app. Subscribe for more app troubleshooting guides that focus on fixing common problems quickly.